Networking devices. There are 6 types of networking device we have to discuss in this section. Hub, repeater, switch, bridge and gateway. In OSI model there are 7 layers. In each layer it has used the specified network devices in that layer. Like we have to discuss below. First one is hub. Hub is used in a physical layer device. It is used to connect more devices into a single device. It is also used to connect multiple devices in a single LAN. Function of the hub is to broadcast the received signal or data to all other ports of the hub. Transmission mode of the hub is half duplex mode of transmission. There are 2 types of hub: passive hub and active hub. Passive hub is nothing but it is broadcasts the received signal data to all other ports of the hub, whereas the active hub is regenerate the received signal and broadcast to all other ports of the hub. Or active hub is also called as the multiple port separator. Multi-port separator. Okay, this is the diagram of an hub. It will connected through the port. Okay, then the next device we have to discuss is repeater. Repeater is a regenerator and retransmitter the incoming weak signal data in a single LAN. If in case we are transmitting a signal that will not reach the destination with the same strength, in between it has the some signal strength loss, so that repeater is used. If the signal strength reduced means that signal is called as an attenuated signal. Repeater is a 2-port device. In one port it will receive the weak signal and in the another port it will transmit the regenerator signal. Important points to remember in this repeater topic is that repeater does not amplify the signal or increase the signal strength. It will just regenerate and transmit. Okay, this is the diagram of a repeater. Then the next topic is switch. Switch is used in a data link layer device. Used as a data link layer device. Used to connect multiple devices in a single LAN. It examines the destination MAC address of the received signal or data and retransmit the signal data to the corresponding device. It operates in the mode of full duplex. Full duplex is nothing but it can perform the transmission and receiver at the same time between the devices. Okay, the center one is the repeater device. Then bridge. Bridge is also used as a data link device. It is used to connect the two LANs working on the same protocol, and it is also used to divide a large network into a smaller segment. It is a MAC address. It has the MAC address reading capability, and bridges is also called as a regenerator weak signal. This is the diagram of bridge. Then another one is a router. Router is used as a network layer device. It is used to connect the multiple LANs and WANs together working on a same protocol. And it is also forwards the data packet based on the IP address by reading the destination IP address. To forward the data packets, router always maintain a routing table. Routing table is nothing but it to find the best route to transmit the data. And it is on one example diagram of one. Why we are choosing the router is to find the shortest path to transmit the signal. And final one is gateway. Gateway is works on the upper layer of the OSI model. That is nothing but application layer, presentation layer, section layer. Gateway is also used to connect the dissimilar network together, working on the different converter. And it is also depending on the functionality, a gateway can operate at any of the 7 layer of OSI model. That's all about this repeat networking devices. Thank you.